In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collection image to a product in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking for a refresher, this guide is here to help you enhance your store's visual appeal and organization. First, let's start by heading over to Shopify. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to the main dashboard. On the home page, you'll find all the tools and options you need to manage your store efficiently. From here, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Products. This is the hub where you can manage all your items, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on the Products page, locate and select Collections from the options at the top. Collections in Shopify allow you to organize products to make them easier for customers to find. Once you're in the Collections section, it's time to choose a specific product to which you want to add a collection image. Browse through your collections and click on the one you wish to work on. Next, you'll want to add an image to your chosen collection. You should see an option labeled Add Image within the collection details and click on this button to proceed. This will prompt Shopify to open your file directory or media library, where you can select the image that best represents your collection. When you're selecting an image, remember to choose one that is high quality and visually appealing, as this can significantly impact a potential customer's first impression. Once you've found the right image, click on it to highlight your selection. With your image selected, look for the Done button, which you can click to confirm your choice. Be sure to take a moment to review your selection, ensuring that everything looks great and matches the aesthetic you're aiming for. Finally, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll find a Save button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will ensure that your new collection image is updated on your Shopify page. This last step is not just about saving your work, it's about making your online store just a little bit more enticing to your visitors, and that's it! You've successfully added a collection image to a product in Shopify. This simple enhancement can make a big difference in how your store is perceived by customers, and it contributes to a more organized and visually appealing shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to explore more ways to enhance your Shopify store and make it stand out in the digital marketplace.